Welcome to class 7. This is Rakesh Kumar from Rawal Public School, and today I am here to discuss the chapter Acid, Bases and Salts. What are acids? Acids are the chemical substance which are sour to taste, and this word acid comes from the Latin word acidus, which means sour. Acids is found in different types of substances like vinegar, tamarind, milk, curd. It is also present in bee sting. There are two types of acids, organic acids and mineral acids. Organic acids which are present in natural things, and mineral acids they are man-made. For example, sulfuric acid, hydrochloric acid, nitric acid. Acids has two parts. First is hydrogen part and second one is radical part. Radical is the charged group of atoms. When acid dissolve in water, they split up into their hydrogen part and radical part. What is the definition of acids? An acid is a compound when which dissolve in water to give hydrogen ion as only positive ion. Physical properties: acids are sour in taste. Acids are good conductor of electricity because they have ions. Acids are soluble in water because when they dissolve in water gives different types of ions. Acids are corrosive in nature, and acid turns blue litmus to red. Here are the few important acids. First is hydrochloric acids. It is used to manufacture glue. It is also used to purify common salt. It is also used for bleaching in textile industries. Nitric acid, it is used to purify gold and silver. It is also used to extract metals from their ores. It is also used to manufacture perfumes, fertilizers, dyes, etc. Bases are the chemical compounds which are bitter in taste. It has two main parts, metal part and hydroxyl part. Hydroxyl means OH negative part. There are two types of bases, alkali and non-alkali. Alkali they are dissolved in water, non-alkali they do not dissolve in water. Alkali sodium hydroxide and non-alkali aluminum hydroxide. Physical properties of bases: they are bitter in taste, they are soapy to touch, they are good conductor of electricity, they are base corrosive in nature, and they also convert red litmus to blue. Chemical properties: when acid and base react with each other to form salt and water. Uses of bases: sodium hydroxide, it is used in textile and plastic industries. It is used to refine petroleum. Calcium hydroxide is used in whitewash. It is also remove fur from animal skin. Ammonium hydroxide is used to remove ink from the clothes. Neutralization is the process in which acid and base both react with each other to produce salt and water. Difference between acid and base: acids are sour in taste, bases are bitter in taste. Acids are corrosive in nature, bases are soapy to touch. Acid turns blue litmus to red, bases turn red litmus to blue. Acids are good conductor of electricity, bases are also a good conductor of electricity. Acid react with base to form salt and water, same as the base react with acid to form salt and water. So here is the process of formation of salts when a base and acid combine with each other to form salt and water. Salts are basically soluble in water. They have high melting and boiling points, and they are good conductor of electricity. Here are the few examples of salts. For example, sodium chloride, sodium bicarbonate, sodium carbonate, copper sulfate, potassium alum, silver nitrate. These are the example of salts. Sodium chloride, it is a common salt. It is used as a added to a food. It is also used in pottery glazing. Sodium carbonate, it is also known as washing soda. To wash the clothes, it is used to purify petroleum and also manufacture of detergents, paper and glass. Sodium bicarbonate, it is the baking soda. It is used as antacids. It is also used in fire extinguisher to extinguish the fires and also used to make bakery products. And the other salts are copper sulfate, which is used to manufacture medicines, potash alum, which is used in the purification of water, silver nitrate, which is used in developing films. So I hope you all have learned about this. Thank you.